Hello and welcome to Unlock English with Confidence. Have you ever felt stuck in a conversation, searching for the perfect words but coming up blank? Or maybe you've hesitated because you're worried about sounding unnatural. Don't worry, you're not alone. Fluency isn't about fancy vocabulary or perfect grammar. It's about using simple, everyday phrases that native speakers rely on to sound natural and connect effortlessly. On this channel, we're all about helping you speak English with confidence. And today, I'm sharing 10 super useful phrases I use every single day. These aren't just words, they're tools to make your conversation smoother, friendlier, and more natural. I'll give you real-life examples, fun ways to practice, and a few stories to make them stick. By the end, you'll have phrases you can use right away to sound like a native speaker. So, let's unlock your confidence and dive in. 1. What's up? This is a super casual way to say, how's it going? Or, what's happening? Perfect for friends or informal settings. Example, you see your friend at a cafe. Hey Sarah, what's up? She might reply, not much, just chillin'. Why it's great? It's short, friendly, and way more natural than how are you? Practice tip. Try saying what's up to a friend or even to yourself in the mirror. Record a short video greeting someone with this phrase to get comfortable with the vibe. 2. No problem. Use this to say it's okay or don't worry about it when someone apologizes or thanks you. Example, your coworker says, sorry, I forgot to send the file. You reply, no problem, just send it when you can. Why it's great? It shows you're easygoing and keeps the conversation positive. Practice tip. Next time someone says sorry or thanks you in a chat, text back, no problem, to make it part of your vocabulary. 3. Got it. This means I understand or I hear you. It's quick and shows you're following along. Example, your friend explains the meeting's at 3 p.m. You say, got it, I'll be there. Why it's great? It's a confident way to show you're engaged without overcomplicating things. Practice tip. Watch an English video or podcast, pause and say, got it, when you understand a point. It builds active listening skills. 4. Hang on a sec. This phrase means wait a moment and is perfect when you need a quick pause. Example, your friend calls while you're grabbing your keys. Hang on a sec, I'm just finding my phone. Why it's great? It's polite, casual, and buys you time without sounding rude. Practice tip. Practice in real life. Next time someone asks you something and you need a moment, say, hang on a sec, before answering. 5. Sounds good. Use this to agree enthusiastically to a plan or idea. Example, your friend says, let's grab pizza tonight. You reply, sounds good, see you at 7. Why it's great? It's positive and shows you're excited about the plan. Practice tip. Use it in texts or emails. When someone suggests something, instead of, okay, try, sounds good, to sound more engaged. 6. What do you think? This is a great way to ask for someone's opinion and keep the conversation flowing. Example, you're discussing a movie with a friend. I like the ending, but what do you think? Why it's great? It invites others to share, making you sound curious and friendly. Practice tip. In your next conversation, ask, what do you think? After sharing an idea. Try it in a group chat to spark discussion. 7. I'm good, thanks. Use this to politely decline something or say you're okay. Example, at a restaurant, the waiter asks, more water? You smile and say, I'm good, thanks. Why it's great? It's polite and keeps things light without over-explaining. Practice tip. Practice refusing small things politely. Next time you don't need something, say, I'm good, thanks, to build confidence. 8. Long time no see. This is a fun way to greet someone you haven't seen in a while. Example, you run into an old classmate. Hey, long time no see. How's life? Why it's great? It's warm and nostalgic, instantly breaking the ice. Practice tip: text an old friend with "long time no see" and start a chat. It's a great way to reconnect and practice. 9. That's a good point. Use this to acknowledge someone's idea or opinion during a discussion. Example: your colleague says, "We should focus on social media marketing." You reply, "That's a good point. Let's explore it." Why it's great? It shows you're listening and value their input, making you sound thoughtful. Practice tip: in your next debate or group discussion, use "that's a good point" when someone makes a strong argument. 10. Catch you later. This is a casual way to say goodbye, perfect for friends or informal settings. Example: you're leaving a hangout. "All right, I gotta go. Catch you later." Why it's great? It's a cool, laid-back way to end a conversation without being formal. Practice tip: end a phone call or text chat with "catch you later" to make it feel natural. Why these phrases work? These phrases are like shortcuts to fluency. Native speakers use them all the time because they're simple, versatile, and make conversations feel effortless. Think about how you learned your first language. You picked up phrases from family, friends, or TV, right? English works the same way. By practicing these, you're training your brain to think and speak like a native speaker. Your confidence challenge. Here's your mission from Unlock English with Confidence. Use at least 3 of these phrases today. Text a friend, "What's up?" or tell a coworker, "Got it," when they explain something. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. And don't worry about mistakes. Confidence is what makes you shine. Which phrase is your favorite? How are you going to use it today? Drop a comment below or send us a message on Unlock English with Confidence. Want more tips like this? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of confident English learners. Let's unlock your fluency together. See you in the next video.